Hey guys, how's it going? How to withdraw whitelists on Kraken. So I don't have a pre-approved address, or I haven't withdrawn anything from Kraken, but I will show you how it's done. So basically, if you haven't set up a whitelist and you don't have pre-approved withdrawal address, you can just still proceed with the standard withdrawal process. Go and open up your Bitcoin or any other crypto. Click the three dots at the top right, and then you're gonna see multiple options. Right, let me click on it and click withdraw. Right, and you can withdraw Bitcoin to network, right, that you'd like to use to withdraw Bitcoin. Let's say for example Lightning, right, and I'm gonna enter the address, right, into the withdraw or wallet address where you want the crypto to be sent, right. Ensure this address is correct, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible, and then input the amount that you wish to withdraw. Okay, and basically review and confirm as if like you're gonna convert or transfer Bitcoin to a cash or whatever it might be. Swipe to confirm, and then they will ask you for security reasons to confirm the withdrawal. Like you might need to complete additional security steps, such as two-factor authentication or email confirmation, and then you're gonna just sit back and relax. Withdrawals typically take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on network congestion and the cryptocurrency in question, right? And if you increase security in the future, go ahead to your Kraken official website, and then go ahead and click your profile icon at the top right, click the settings, right, and then click security right here. Scroll a little bit down and make sure that you enable the GSL by clicking activate, and basically click activate so you can add to protect your account from unauthorized withdrawals. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.